Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag Two Crafters, One Design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Holtz Cards, which is Gloria, and You See Why I'm a Diva, which is Lisa. Each week we bring you a theme. This week's theme is anything Tim Holtz, and then we also enter our projects into hashtag Satmorn Makes, which is hosted by Jillian Norwood. Now, next time we are back will be after the new year. So we always take 2 weeks off, and so we'll be on break. But when we come back, it'll be Maker's Choice, and that will be January 3rd. So hope to see you back and ready to craft in January. All right, let's get into the project. So this week I am using the Tim Holtz Colorize thin lead dies, and I want to say this is Harvey. And I've had Harvey created for probably a couple years and just never used it. And then this is also Tim Holtz here, and I want to say it's the brick wall or something like that. Not sure what the name of it is, but we'll just say brick wall. And then I'm also using the Essential Arches. Also from Spellbinders, I'm using Glimmer Sentiments. And then from Spellbinders, once again, I'm using Christmas Blooms. And I used Lost Shadow for my Distress Inks. Look, I use Tim Holtz everywhere. But anyways, Lost Shadow for Distress Oxide. And then I used these little gemstones. I think I picked them up from Michael's. So I have those on my card as well. Cards. These are the 3 cards that I created. Very similar, but not quite the same, but I thought they turned out really nice. I thought I would ink up that brick in the background and make it look a little bit more aged. There goes those little gems that I put right in the center of that poinsettia. And then there goes Harvey. Really cute. There goes the inside. All the insides look the same. I didn't fill them out, but really cute. This one says Merry and Bright. The other one said Season's Greetings. And this one I put the little poinsettia spray down below. And like I said, all of the insides are the same. And then this one says Christmas Wishes. Really cute. Love how those turned out. They had been sitting for a while, so I thought I would take advantage since those were already created and put together, and I thought I would use them. But anyways, that's all I have for you. Make sure you use our hashtags. Hashtag Two Crafters, One Design, as well as hashtag Satmorn Makes, which is hosted by Jillian Norwood. The links to the ladies will be down below. If I'm not on for the rest of the year, you all have a safe and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to all of you. You all have a blessed and crafty day.